Hey friends! Welcome to Kidz Adventure TV.
What are the family members doing? Let's go check it out. Dad is preparing delicious lunch in the kitchen. Dad is thirsty. Daddy, I love you. Drink some water.
Thank you, baby. Daddy loves you too.
Mom is cleaning the living room. Mom is a bit hungry. Mommy, I love you. Have a donut.
Thank you, baby. Mommy loves you too.
Grandpa is reading the newspaper in the study. Grandpa wants a banana. Grandpa, I love you. Have a banana.
Thank you, baby. Grandpa loves you too.
Grandma is knitting a jumper for Doo-Doo. Grandma wants a red apple. Grandma, I love you. Have a red apple.
Oh, thank you, baby. Grandma loves you too.
What a lovely family.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel.